All right, last example here for chapter 2-7. Let's find the domain of an expression. And so we know that you cannot have negatives under the square root. So we're going to say that 64 minus 4x squared must be greater than or equal to 0. All right, we've talked about this before. The denominator can't be 0, and in a square root, you can't be negative. So let's see if we can get this set up here. We're going to factor this. This is 8 minus 2x and 8 plus 2x. That's the difference of two perfect squares here. So we've got 4 and we've got negative 4 as our zeros, and from here we're just going to solve it like normal. Negative 4 and 4. Let's use negative 5, 0, and 5. And so if we plug in negative 5 to our first parentheses, let's see. If we plug in negative 5, we'll get 8 plus 10. That's positive. Here we'll get 8 minus 10. That's a negative. Multiplying, we get negative. Don't like that section. Let's plug in 0. 8 minus 0 is a positive. 8 plus 0 is a positive. So we like that section. And let's try 5. 8 minus 10 is a negative. 8 plus 10 is a positive. Negative. Don't like it. And so we're going to say negative 4 to 4 with brackets because it's greater than or equal to this time. So 4 is going to get the job done for us. All right, last one for you to try. Try problem 59. All right, if you're ready for a solution, here we go. 4 minus x squared must be greater than or equal to 0. And this is the difference of perfect squares. Again, 2 minus x and 2 plus x. And so our zeros here are going to be 2 and negative 2. I'm going to test 0, I'm going to test negative 5, and I'm going to test 5. And so when we plug this in, if I plug in negative 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. That's a positive. This is for negative 5. And 2 minus 5 is a negative. Multiplying, we get a negative. No good. We want positives, greater than or equal to 0. If we plug this in here and we plug in 0, and we got 2 minus 0 is a positive, and 2 plus 0 is a positive. We like it. And lastly, let's plug in 5. 2 minus 5 is a negative. 2 plus 5 is a positive. No good. Negative 2 to 2 in brackets because it's an equals. Less than or equals here. All right. Hopefully that sums things up for you. If you have any questions, make sure that you're asking good ones in class come tomorrow.